Yellowstone, day 4, the day that wasn't planned. So we ended up, you know, we thought we were gonna leave. It's Monday. What is the date? Monday, the 24th of August, and we thought we were gonna be peacing out real early, but we are just having such a great time here and just loving the animals, and you know, so we're making sure that we're actually gonna go out to Lamar River Valley, get some last shots, see some bison, and hopefully some more animals right before we go. Yeah, so we're out here and we're just excited to just be here. It's, you know, Yellowstone's one of those places that totally leaves an impression on you. Denise was just saying the other day, she's like, she's turned into like a national park bougie girl, or I don't know what you call that, just the bourgeoisie of national parks, because, you know, she says now that whenever someone talks about a national park or something, you're like, oh, but is it Yellowstone? Like, so, yeah, we had a great last night. We stayed in Madison. Oh wow, Pronghorn. Whoa, they're so close.
So close. I should pull off.
Yeah. So we just saw Pronghorn. That was incredible. Just so close to the car. I don't know if you can see it out the window when I turn the camera up, but yeah, we're really excited, and I'm probably gonna stop filming, and we're gonna turn around and snap a photo of these guys because they are so close to the car. So that's the closest we've seen Pronghorn. I will get back to you guys in just a moment. Man, look at these guys. Look at these guys. Man, they are so cool and so close to the car. We have a male here, we have a female back here. Wow, these guys are incredible. Look at him. I don't know if he's scenting or marking his territory. There's a female running across the road behind us. I just saw her go across. So let's see what he does. Wow, this is so freaking awesome! Denise is doing some reckless maneuvering on the road. Get the shot. It's all for the shot. Can you see this? Look at this recklessness. Wow, just so awesome. Super lucky, and this is exactly why we're coming out to Lamar River Valley so early. Look at these guys go. Whoa. They're so beautiful. And it's just so different than the deer that we get on the East Coast. Wow, I'm gonna stack some more shots. So guys, we're in a bit of traffic right now. I don't know if you can see ahead of us. We have a friend in the road, Mr. Bison. Yeah, but the bison here seem to have just learned to use, and a lot of the animals have seemed to just really utilize and learned how to use the roads and bridges as their thoroughfares, you know, and part of their tracks and to get around the park. Look at this guy, what a stud. Yeah, but we ended up having a badger run across the bridge when we were in the Lamar River Valley taking a little hike. It was crazy. Like the badger is way, at least this one was way bigger than I suspected, and I know they're in the wolverine family, and badgers can get quite big, but he or she was so big. It was actually, it's kind of nervous because it was so close to us, and it was probably maybe like 40 feet from this little bridge. So, you know, it's one of those things that, like, you know, out here you just never know what you could run into, and there's just so much cool wildlife. So if you're into any wildlife photography, or just, you know, being so close and you could do it in a really good way and safe way, you know, just make sure that when you're traversing this park, you're bringing your bear spray, you have a knife, or, you know, just any little, you know, like little thing. I'm not saying you're gonna knife fight any animal. I'm just saying that, like, it's good to have your tools on your belt ready to go. This is the first time I've been anywhere that I really actually felt like I needed to have the tools on my belt. So I've literally been carrying around my knife for like little situations, for like, you know, if you need to carve or, you know, cut something away on the trail, or and my bear spray is always by my side. There's been a lot of bear in the campgrounds this year. Oh wow, hold on, I'm gonna spin you guys around. We have a family of bison.
Oh, look at the little baby.
They got a baby. Ooh, watch out.
Oh, okay, they're gonna cross.
Yep, they do not want you near the baby. And they're coming right in front of the car. Look at that. That's incredible.
Yeah, Animal Crossing.
Wow, look at them go. And we have about 3 others on the side here.
All right, now they're getting split up.
3 others. Okay, come on, guys. So this is actually a big reason why there's traffic in Yellowstone, is the bison and these other animals just give zero F's about any of us being here, because this is, as they should, yeah, good, well said, Denise, because this is their land, you know, this whole place should be there. So it's a cool way to pay, you know, be respectful and take the time. And as you can see, these guys are just moseying along. Wow, look at these guys, they're just awesome. You guys are gonna get a little jitter here. Here you go. Wow. All right, guys, have a great day. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see, there's a little baby in the back here, calf. Man, this place is just something else. So yeah, heading to the next spot. Man, look at this one. This thing is nuts. Look at the colors. This one's called Beauty Pool. What's up, guys? So it's later in the day on the 24th, and we have finished up with the Lamar River Valley. We ended up deciding to come down here to the Mirror Pool Geyser and go back to see the Grand Prismatic Geyser, because again, last night just wasn't able to get the image we wanted for any of the photos. So we're gonna do the overlook walk for that. But we're right now doing the walkway from Old Faithful to the Mirror Pool Geyser. So
Morning Glory.
Oh, sorry, yeah, Morning Glory. But the Mirror Pool's right next to it, right?
Is it? I think
yeah, I
so.
believe so. So sorry, I'm confusing them. So there's Mirror Pool, I believe, and then there's the Morning Glory. So the other thing that happened, which has been really crummy for our trip in some ways, is that there was a forest fire, which is bad for the park, caused by lightning, and I spoke about it the other day, but the road is still closed. So third day, road's still closed, and that's the way we were gonna head to Jackson Hole. So we're gonna have to head back up to Madison here in Yellowstone Park, if you like looking at this on a map, and we're gonna head out the west entrance into Idaho. We're gonna have to wrap around and then go down into Jackson and back on the highway down to Boulder, Colorado. So that's the plan, and we'll see you guys probably at the Morning Glory Pool. We are arriving at Morning Glory. Oh my God.
Look, it's losing its brilliant color because through vandalism, people toss objects, clogging the vent, and then it lowers the temperature.
Damn. People, don't be trash. See that? They have to pump it every year because humans. It's gross. And we are here at our second to last destination of the day, and one of our second to last visits at Yellowstone. It's not that. We're heading up to the overlook for the Grand Prismatic. So the thing is with this one is that with the Grand Prismatic, if you take the hike that we did yesterday past Excelsior, it doesn't quite give you the look when you're trying to take photos or really show off the colors. So the thing is that if you are to do the Fairy Falls Trail and the overlook, you're going to get that more classic photo or shot of the Grand Prismatic. It's Geysor, Hot Spring. No, it's not Geysor, Hot Spring, right?
Yeah.
Hot Spring. So we're gonna head up there, see if we can snag a shot, do a quick swim after this, and then headed to Colorado.
Yeah.
We are here finally at the overlook. Wow, that's incredible. You don't see any of that when you're at the bottom. So yesterday we were down there and we absolutely saw none of those colors. So if you ever do this hike, it's really important that you don't do the Grand Prismatic one. I mean, if you're going to see Excelsior and things like that, that's fine. But if you want to actually get the classic footage or video with the Grand Prismatic overlook, it's the Fairy Falls Trail. So they closed all the showers at Yellowstone. So this is what I'm left with. Oh gosh. Bathing in the Firehole River. So I'm gonna go lather up, soap up, and then I have biodegradable soap, and I'm gonna go clean off. So the thing is that's important about biodegradable soap, which I didn't know, is that it has to be on land, not directly in the water. Otherwise it doesn't break down properly. So we're gonna go rinse off, put some soap up off to the side. So I didn't film my shower, but this is the setup, because normally we had the really nice setup on the back of the cap, but we couldn't do it because it was too windy and we're in Yellowstone. So we have the shower pump, the electric shower pump. It's rechargeable handle and everything. We were just kind of using on ourselves. Got some biodegradable soap. I got Joshua Tree skincare. It worked really well. And then there's some type of biodegradable hair product Denise used. But yeah, so this is our setup. We had a bucket. That's Denise's shiwi on the ground. But,
I have to wash that. Okay, yeah, thanks.
Okay, so yeah, but this is how we did it. The showers were closed here at the whole park, so there wasn't really much we could do. So we're here on the side of the fire hole. But you got to get the job done. It was way too many days between us showering, and it was getting gross. We had really good biodegradable wipes, but you know, they worked great for me. But there's nothing like getting, you know, a proper rinse in. So that's what we're doing here. Yeah, and we're ready to go. So we're gonna head out, and we're gonna head into Idaho, and then into Colorado. We have to do a little bit of an extra loop because of the Lone Star wildfire. So here we go, on to the next thing. So Denise and I are leaving Yellowstone National Park. We wanted to close out our portion of the trip here. We're right outside Madison Junction, saying goodbye to you guys by this gorgeous Gibbon River and the National Park mountains behind me. And what a way to send this trip off with this gorgeous sunset behind us in this valley. So thanks for checking up on my videos, and you know, we'll see you guys in the next portion of the trip, which is Colorado. So we're leaving during the evening. We're gonna see how far we get, but you know, we're looking forward to Colorado. So this is Zach Jones, a long way to go, and thanks for coming for the journey. I'll see you guys soon. Bye, Denise. Bye. Bye. Bye.
The Rangers. Oh, I literally had to run here. Oh.
This is literally what I have to deal with, guys.
Talk about a long way to travel.